Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete a course on Duolingo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access our Duolingo app on mobile phone. So once we have done so, this kind of home section will appear, right? Once we're over here, first of all, tap on this course on top. We can find our course, right? If you tap on the create, we can add another course of ours by just choosing any of the course right over here. Once we have chosen that particular course, we can go back and tap on this little avatar icon given below as a profile and tap on the settings icon on top and scroll down till you find this option called manage courses. Go ahead, tap on it. Now we can see the particular courses that we are learning here in Duolingo, including this remove option just beside it. Tap on this remove and it will ask you for a confirmation. You're going to tap on this remove, and then afterwards your particular course will be removed from Duolingo and you can read it. Be careful, removing a language gets rid of all your progress and can be undone. It will simply be removed just like that. You don't have to worry that it will appear again. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.